Hi guys, so today's class is going to be a very simple one for those people who don't know how to buy or sell. In today's class, I'll be showing you how to buy or sell cryptos on any exchange, or I'll be using Bybit as an example. So first of all, you can see on my balance, there's about 74 USDT or $74. Now, before you even get started, you need to have some USDT inside of your Bybit account. All right. The next thing is to find out what kind of crypto do you have. Okay. Now, what you have to do is to come to this area where you find assets. I'm showing you how to buy cryptos and how to sell cryptos. The next step is to click on assets. You select assets. Now, the next step is that you find out that you have USDT. You need to have USDT. All right. You need to have USDT to buy any asset. Now, the next step, once you confirm you have USDT, is to move your USDT to the unified trading. If you are using Bybit, move your USDT to unified trading. If you are using Binance, you move your USDT to the spot wallet. If you are using any other exchange, you can move your USDT to the spot wallet. If you don't move your USDT to the spot wallet, you cannot use it to buy anything. In fact, you can only sell it back to your account. Now, come to this area where you find transfer. Click on transfer. We are trying to move USDT to our spot wallet or unified trading account. Then you can see there are two accounts here, funding account and unified trading. We are moving USDT to unified trading. Why are we moving to unified trading? Because unified trading, once your money is on unified trading, you can buy any crypto. If your money is on funding, you cannot buy any crypto. Funding is where you have to sell back to your bank. Unified trading is where you can buy cryptos. So you select USDT. Then you select maximum. If you want to send all your monies to unified trading, you click on maximum. So I want to send all the 73 USDT back to unified trading, and I'll click on confirm. So once I select confirm, guys, you find that I've moved my monies to unified trading, which means I can now buy and sell. If you leave it on funding wallet, you cannot buy or sell anything. In fact, it will look as if you don't have any money on your wallet. Next step, come back to this area where you find market. When you click on market, you want to choose what do you want to buy. Now let's say I want to buy crypto Ripple. This is Ripple. You have to look for the symbol for Ripple. The symbol for Ripple is XRP. Now we'll choose XRP/USDT. Why are we choosing XRP/USDT? It's because we are using USDT to buy Ripple. You have USDT and you are using it to buy Ripple. As mean you have BTC and you want to buy Ripple with BTC, you look for BTC slash you look for XRP/BTC. Okay, so as mean you have BTC and you want to buy Ripple, just come and type XRP. Then you select this particular one. We type XRP on the search space and you select this particular one. If you have BTC, you select this one. Because I have USDT, because it is USDT I want to use to trade, I'll select this one. This means I want to use my USDT to buy Ripple. This means I want to use my BTC to buy Ripple. This means I want to use my euros to buy Ripple. This means I want to use my USDC to buy Ripple. So because you have USDT, this is the right choice. I'm going to do one more example. So let's say they say you should go and buy Dogecoin. Click on this place and type DOGE. See where I clicked, because most people might not understand where I click. You click on the search bar. This is the search bar. Click on it and type DOGE. When you type DOGE, you now select what do you have. If you select this one because you have USDT, I will select this first one because I have USDT on my account. If I have USDC, I will select this. If I have euros, I will select this. Okay, I can load more to see if there are more options. Okay, but I'll choose the first option because it's USDT that I have. So let me go back and type DOGE. Then I'm going to click on load more. There you can see I will select the first guy. Now the next step is to buy, guys. To buy Dodge, all you have to do is to click on buy. I'm going to be quick here. Once you are here, the next step is to, you see that your balance will appear showing that you have 73 USDT balance. Next step is that you find that this is the price for one Dodge. This is the price for one Dodge. The same. Then select how much you want to use to buy your Dodge. How much USDT do you want to use to buy your Dodge? Or how much Dodge do you want to buy? If you want to buy 100 Dodge, come and type 100. Type 100 here. And to automatically show you that 100 Dodge costs 39 USDT. If you want to buy, if you want to spend only 10 USDT in buying your Dodge, to show you that you need to show you that this is what, how many Dodge you have, right? Now if you want to spend all your USDT in buying Dodge, you have to draw this yellow line, draw it to the end. If you draw it to the end, you see that you're going to spend 105 USDT in buying. You're going to spend all your 72 USDT and you have 185 Dodge. You can see. Now, because let me not spend everything, let me spend only half. Half, you leave it at 50%. This is 50%. And then you click on buy. Before you click on buy, there's something called orders, and this is limit. Now I'm going to make you understand what it means. What does limit means? In fact, if you click it, there are so many of them. You find market, you find limit, you find market, you find TPSL, conditional, OCO, trailing stop, iceberg, swap, and scaled order. If you are trading as a beginner, you only need limit, market, and this one, TP and SL. TP and SL means take profit and stop loss. So I'm going to explain what limit is. Limit simply means buying or pricing the market. When you go to buy something in the market and somebody tells you this bread costs 200 naira, you say, ah, madam, is it not 150? Is it not 180? You are pricing the market to buy lower than the market price. That is what limit is. So you can see that the price of Dodge is 0.39. You can come here to ask them, ah, is it not 0.36? So you come and tell them, okay, I want to buy 0.36. Okay, then you click on, if you have priced the market or you want to buy lower, you can type it here. Okay, then you come and click on buy. When you click on buy, guys, you can see buy Dodge. It will wait for you here. It will not buy Dodge automatically because you've priced the market at a lower price than what it is. So it will not buy for you. It will wait until Dodge comes lower to 0.36. So right now Dodge is 0.39. When the price of Dodge comes down to 0.36, it will buy automatically. Even when you are sleeping and the price of Dodge comes to 0.36, it will buy automatically. You can see that. So you can wait. If it doesn't buy, you can come here to cancel your order. Okay, meanwhile, if your order is open, your USDT will be short. Your USDT has reduced, okay, because your order is open. So once you have canceled the order, your USDT will come back and it will be complete. Although you can buy at the current market price. Buying at the current market price simply means you are buying at the market price. So market simply means you want to buy now, 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 now. You don't want to price anything. You can click on market and jump to 50% and click on buy. Once you click on buy, it's going to buy for you instantly. For example, you can see I'm going to click on buy Dodge. Instantly, I've purchased Dodge. Instantly, guys. So you can see my USDT have been cut into two. I now have 36.5 USDT. If you come to your asset area to see all the cryptos you have, you can see that you now have, if you refresh, you see that you now have Dodge. I'm going to try to refresh. Going to refresh. I guess it's network, but if you refresh, okay, you can see you now have Dodge. You now have Dodge because we bought at the market price. To sell your Dodge, come back to the market. Come back to the market here. Come and type at the search bar and write Dodge. You want to sell your Dodge. If you want to sell your Dodge to USDT and get back your USDT, select this one. If you want to sell your Dodge and get USDC, select this one. If you want to get euros, select this one. But I'll select USDT because that is what I want. To sell is quite similar to buy, but you have to click on sell. Now, if you want to sell your Dodge at a higher price, this is the current market price of Dodge. But let's say you want to sell your Dodge at 0.40. You can use the limit, click on limit, select market, click on change it to limit. Limit is the first one like I showed you. You are pricing the market. I say, no, I don't want to sell at 0.39. No, I want to sell my own Dodge at 0.42. This is the market price of Dodge. But you say, no, you want to sell your own at 0.42. You can come here and put it with your hand. Then you want to sell, or if you want to sell half of your Dodge, leave it at 50%. If you want to sell all your Dodge, move it to the end. If you want to sell all your Dodge, move it to the end. If you want to sell all your Dodge, drag this yellow something to the end. Okay, I know why I'm repeating it, because people would need that repetition. You click on sell. Once you click on sell Dodge. If you click on sell Dodge, it is not going to sell automatically for you because the price of Dodge is still 0.39. If you go to sleep and the price of Dodge hits 0.42 like you want to sell, it will sell for you. You come back, you find that you've made some profits because you bought low and you sold high. Now, if it has not sold for you and you want to cancel, you come here and you click on cancel. Now, if you want to sell and get back your USDT now, you select market. Market means sharp, sharp, sharp. You want to sell it. It's good. Then you can drag it to the end and you click on sell. Instantly, your Dodge will be sold. Now, I want to tell you something. A secret. The reason why you should never use markets to sell instantly or buy instantly is because there is a lot of fees. You can see we started with 73 USDT. Now we are having 72.9. $0.1 fee has been taken because we used market to execute the order. If you buy with limit, there will be very little fees or no fees. If you buy with market, you have more fees. If you sell with market, you have more fees. The only time where you sell with market is if you have made a lot of profit and you just want to sell instantly and get back your USDT. So guys, this will be the end of this class. Give this video a like if you love it, and we'll be showing you many similar videos for those people who don't know how to buy or sell. You have a very wonderful day, guys, and if this video gets up to 50 likes, certainly will bring you more tutorials like this.